Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
Stand with your arms bent at the elbows so that your hands are near your shoulders. As soon as the music starts up, spin your hands inward quickly, alternating your left and right hand while stepping in place for 4 counts. Now, while facing slightly to the right, bring your right hand up with your fingers spread out. Put your left fist under your right elbow. Bend your knees with your right knee turned to the right, and then straighten them. Do this one more time. Now bend your knees with your right knee turning in, and bend your elbows, bringing both fists near your chest as you move your elbows down, and up. When you straighten your legs, bring your hands back to the position they were in before, but point with both hands. Excluding the hand spinning in the beginning, repeat all of these moves 2 more times. With your hands in the same position as before, step to the right with your right foot while angling your right hand outward. Bring your right hand back in as you move your left foot to meet your right foot. Take another step to the right in the same manner. Now bring both fists up near your right shoulder and start to spin them counterclockwise as you step to the left with your left foot. Complete the spin as you bring your right foot over to meet your left foot. Spin your arms counterclockwise again, but end the spin by pointing up and to the right with both hands as your left foot steps to the left, toes pointing up. Repeat all of these moves 3 more times. Bend both knees inward and look down, bringing your hands in front of your head. Hop up while bringing your hands out to either side, with your elbows still bent. With your left hand on your hip, point to the right with your right hand, while stepping out to the right with your right foot. Now, point to the left with your right hand, while stepping out to the left with your left foot. Bring your right foot over near your left foot, and point up with your right hand, while keeping your elbow bent. Make 2 clockwise circles above your head as you shift your heels to the right, then left, then right again. Extend your right foot while pointing to the left with your right hand, then bring your right foot back in and extend your left foot while pointing to the right with your left hand. Point with your right hand as you bring it up and to the right. Bring your left foot back in and extend your right foot once again as you cross your arms over your chest. Move your right foot back in and extend your left foot while you bring your arms down to either side. Now, bring your left foot over to meet your right foot and turn slightly to the left while bringing your hands together in front of you. Push down with your hands, then bring them back up and turn so that you are facing slightly to the right before pushing down with your hands again. Put your hands on your hips and step forward with your left foot. Kick up a bit with your right foot before bringing it down in front of your left foot. Step in place with your left foot and point at the camera with your right hand before spinning quickly to the left and ending with your hands out to either side, elbows bent, and palms up. While turned slightly to the right, cross your arms over your chest and lift your left foot up twice. Now turn so that you are facing slightly to the left and lift your right foot up twice. Bend your left knee as you turn your arms so that your right arm is vertical and your left arm is horizontal, with your left fist under your right elbow. Switch sides so that your right knee is bent, your left arm is vertical, and your right arm is horizontal. Straighten your leg and cross your arms in front of you before quickly uncrossing them. Bring your arms down to either side as you hop back and turn to the right. Step out a bit with your left foot as you pull your left hand back and up so that it is about level with your stomach, and keep it there. Step around with your right foot so that you are facing to the left as you pull your right hand back in the same manner, but this time bring your hand up near your shoulder and make a fist. At this point you should be turned to the right. Push out to the right with your right fist twice as you hop back twice. Now bring your hands in front of your chest, then move them out to either side, palms out, while bending your left knee. Straighten your leg and bring your hands back in near your chest. Move them out to either side again as you bend your left knee, but have your palms facing in this time. Hold your arms up and out to either side as you take 4 steps in a clockwise circle, starting on the right foot. On the last step of this circle, turn your right hand in a clockwise circle. Now turn to your left and take 4 steps in a circle again. On the first step of this circle, put your fingers over your mouth and then move them outward. Do this again on the second step. On the third step, begin turning your hands down and inward, and on the fourth step, bring them up and out to either side, with the left hand slightly higher than the right hand. Spin your right hand outward and then down and to the right as you step out with your right foot. Do the same on your left. Bring both hands back in front of you and spin them around each other twice, moving up a bit each time, before straightening your arms with your palms facing up. Hop slightly, bringing your left foot in front of your right foot, and bring your arms straight out in front of you, with your right arm on top of your left arm, palms facing out. Rotate your arms so that your left arm is above your right arm. While facing slightly to the right, bring your arms in to cross over your chest while you kick back and up with your left foot. Now, while facing the left, put your hands near your ears, spin them outward once, then bring them down near your hips, and slide them upward as you raise your right knee and hop on your left foot. Make a circle with your left hand and bring your right hand above it with your palm facing your left hand. Move your hands up and down twice as you take 2 steps to the left. Turn to the right and move your hands in the same manner 2 more times, but instead of taking steps, bend your knees twice. Repeat the first 4 counts of the previous section, but this time on the 4th count. Face the right as you spin your hands down, and raise your left knee as you hop on your right foot. Now take 5 steps to the right, starting on the left foot, while pointing to the right in time with your steps. Hold your position for a moment on the last step, then turn to your right and point to the left. Repeat the first 4 counts of Section 1 of Part 3. Bring your hands back into position from the same section, but this time, take 2 steps backwards while moving your hands up and down twice. Turn so that you are facing slightly to the right, and move your hands in the same way twice, but bend your knees twice instead of taking steps. Repeat the first 4 counts of Section 1 of Part 3 once again. Take 4 steps to the left, starting on the right foot, and point 4 times, first in front of you, and then a little further to the right with each successive point. Take another step with your right foot while pointing upward, then turn to your left, point at the camera, and wink.